and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm really excited because I'm doing something that I've never done before, and I'm going to be doing a try-on haul of a few different lashes as well as doing a review on magnetic eyeliner. This video is sponsored by Moxie Lash, so thank you so much Moxie Lash for making this video possible. I'm just really excited to show you guys how all of their lashes work as well as how to properly apply a magnetic eyeliner and lashes. So if you guys want to see some more details about how to do this, then just keep on watching because we're gonna get started. So Moxie Lash actually has 3 different types of eyelashes that they offer. They have the classy lashes, which are definitely more of a shorter, more natural approach, especially for somebody who doesn't wear lashes on a day-to-day basis and they're just not used to it and they want to kind of build up that comfort. These are great for adding a little bit of volume and they're just very natural looking. The next ones are one of my favorites, which are the sassy lashes, and these are just really beautiful. In my opinion, they're just like really glam. They're like wispy and out there and beautiful, and I personally would wear these on a day-to-day basis. And then the last pair they have are the flashy lashes, and those ones are just very texturized and feathered, and to me they just really look like if you were to go to a salon and get your eyelash extensions done, that's exactly what they replicate in my opinion. I just think they look so good. It's so hard to find an eyelash that works like that you can have at home, at your disposal, whatever you want. You can wear every day and feel glamorous. Those are the 3 styles, and then today I'm also going to be showing you how to apply their liquid eyeliner. It's so important to follow the steps that I'm about to show you, so if you want to see how to properly apply their eyeliner, we're about to get into it. So first of all, I love the applicator tip. Like, the rose gold is everything. Who doesn't love rose gold? I just think this is a really cute detail to the packaging. I did not expect it to look like this, so super cute. Before applying, you need to make sure that you shake it together so that the magnetic powder at the bottom and the liquid can kind of blend together, and that way you have a seamless application, and you want to make sure that all the magnetic properties are blended together on the eye. So you're gonna shake it real nice and I'm going to start to apply. When I do my lashes, I like to just create like a natural liner or just more of a rounded one so that the lashes feel like something I can wear on an everyday basis. And when you first go to apply, you actually need to kind of bend the bristles a little bit, because when you first open it, obviously it's never been used, so it's gonna be really stiff. So you wanna kind of like play with the bristles a little bit. Obviously your finger's gonna be a little dirty, so I'm gonna go wipe that off. But now it's a lot more flexible and easier to use. So the best way to apply is to put one layer on, give it some dry time, so about 5 minutes, and then do a second coat, let it dry for about another 5 minutes, and once it's completely dry, you can apply your lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the first coat. And you want to make sure you get every part of your lash line coated, because obviously you need the magnetic grip for the lashes to be there. So if there's no liner there, there's nowhere for the lashes to grip. So I'm going to let that dry for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back for the second coat. All right, so now that that's dry, I'm going to do one more coat of this, and just for good measure, I want to shake it just to be safe. So we're going to apply one more layer over top of the existing layer. All right, so again, I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna come back and we can start to apply the lashes. All right, so my second coat is completely dry, and I think I wanna start with the sassy lashes, because like, who doesn't wanna be sassy? I don't know. These ones to me just look like a really fun style. So what I like about these is they literally just come right out because they have little magnetic clips on the inside. And so first what you're gonna wanna do is kind of like bend the band to get it a little bit comfortable, kind of form to your natural eye shape. And then you're just going to want to stick them straight down right onto the liner. Oh my gosh, so it just grabs right on. Love that. And you can kind of maneuver them with a tweezer if you feel like they didn't land properly, but honestly, oh wait, this end one here. Look how easy that was to like apply those. I just love that about these. So same with the other side, just right down, they just grab right on. Love that. And you can kind of maneuver how you need to. And I didn't really mention before, but I did apply mascara off camera, so I recommend doing that obviously before you put these on. But yeah, look at that. I mean, they just stay right on there and they come off super easy. You just gotta pull at them a little bit like a normal eyelash. And yeah, I love the Sassy ones a lot. I feel like they look like eyelash extensions that you would get at a salon, but you have them right at home. And the other thing I also noticed is these are way easier to store than a normal eyelash because they have the magnetic grip inside as well. So when you're done, you have a safe place to put these at the end of the day. And a lot of my other eyelashes obviously don't have that because they're not magnetic. So that's why I feel like this is the safest place to keep them when you're done because they have the magnetic coating. These ones I love. I think they're my favorite, but we're gonna try on the Classy ones next. All right, now I'm gonna be applying the Classy lashes. These are really great if you just want to add a little bit of volume and not too much length to your lashes, especially if you're not used to wearing lashes all the time and you kind of want to ease your way in. I cannot get over how easy it is to apply these, especially somebody who wears false lashes every day and it takes so much freaking time to apply them and get them to sit right. And I feel like with this, it just suctions right on and you're good to go. I really like these actually. I was surprised. I'm not usually one who likes too natural lashes because I like to be glam, and I honestly think these are really pretty and they definitely do add that beautiful, I mean, look at the difference between this eye and that eye, the volume that it added. It's just so, it never gets old. Every time you stick it on there and it just fits right down. It never gets old. It's amazing. Okay, so these are the Classy lashes. As you can see, they just added a really nice volume. They complement the liner really well. I do think that for these, I would maybe do just a tiny bit thinner of a liner so that you can really show off the beauty of these lashes, because I do think that how thick I did this liner for these, I would definitely prefer the liner to be thinner because I like to show off the lashes. I don't want the liner to overpower it, you know? Definitely if you wear these, maybe do just a thinner liner and it would look really great. Finally, we have the Flashy lashes, which in my opinion are the most dramatic from them. And these are beautiful. First of all, I love the texture that these give. They're gonna add volume and length as well as texture. So it's gonna give you that really pretty wispy, just beautiful shape. So I'm really excited to try these ones. I haven't yet to try them. Oh my goodness. That is pretty cool. Look at how wispy and feathered those are. Okay, I don't know which one I like better, if I like these better or if I like Sassy better. Let me put the other one on and we'll kind of decide. I actually really love, oh my gosh, I don't know which ones I like better. I almost like these better because I love the feathery, just gorgeous texture. I have to say, one thing about their lashes is that they look really real. They, not they're your own, but as if you were to go get lash extensions done. And I think that's really hard to find in a fake lash because a lot of times, I mean, there are a lot of fake looking lashes out there. So I love the way that they've styled each and every one of these pairs because they look just so beautiful on. I just haven't, it's really hard to come by lashes that look like you might have lash extensions on. And I feel like that's the goal, right? I mean, the goal is to either make them look are those her real lashes or where did you get those done? And if someone hears, oh no, they're literally lashes I did at home, I mean, that's incredible. All right, guys, so that's it for the try on portion. I am actually surprised with what my favorite ended up being. I don't mind being a little flashy. I'm not mad. I really do. The Flashy are so pretty. I thought they were gonna be so much more dramatic than they were. And they're dramatic, but to me, and I like to be a little extra. So I'm gonna wear these all the time. You know what I mean? So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of questions about what I'm about to answer. So I feel like the number one question is going to be, do these stay? And the answer is yes, but you have to make sure you're doing every step correctly in order for it to work. It's like anything else in the world. It's not going to work unless you're doing it right. So basically remember to shake the bottle before use, to flex the bristles before you ever use them. The very first time it's going to be stiff. So make sure to kind of bend the bristles and kind of soften it up, and make sure that you are giving an application, you're leaving some dry time, another application, and leaving some dry time. And that is how it'll work the best, and that's how it's going to stick. That is how this formula was made. So as long as you're you're doing everything the right way, yes, they work, yes, they stay, and you don't have to worry about a windy day. You don't have to worry about brushing your hair back and your eyelash coming with you. We all know that's nothing anybody wants to deal with. So yeah, as long as you're doing it right, yes, it's going to work. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, thank you, Moxie Lash, for sponsoring this video. As always, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell icon, so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.